Okay, here we are once again. This is David Nunn, Realtor with Keller Williams Realty. And just so you know, I am the showing agent on this property, not the listing agent. Today we're standing in front of a 10524 Churchill Avenue here in Chatsworth, California. What we have is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath house. Structure is approximately 2,381 square feet, and the lot size is 7,557 square feet. This is a pool home, which was built in 1976. This home has been extremely well taken care of, so we're going to grab the camera and do a quick walkthrough on it for you. There we have a well manicured lawn, Spanish style tile roof, window treatment shutters, a foyer. Go down to our first bedroom, bathroom, bedroom, your family room, excellent. 2-car garage, fireplace, you have stainless steel appliances, backyard, swimming pool. Very quiet neighborhood, very nice. Take a quick trip upstairs. And 3 bedrooms. First bedroom. Second, shared bathroom, and your master. Spacious walk-in closet, bathroom. There we are. That's the quick tour. So once again, this is David Nunn with Keller Williams Realty. I'm the showing agent on this property. If you'd like to take a tour, you give me a call at 818-300-3030. We'll go from there, and I thank you very much.